Miren como Olivia se enfogona conmigo. Shh, pero espérate, mira. Espíritu inmune Pomeranium, get out of this dog, get out! Get out of this dog! Get it out! We need Samantine in this one. Oh my god! It's out of control! We need the salt!
Pomeranium, get out! Pomeranium, get out! Pomeranium, get out!
The power of Christ compels you! The power of Christ compels you! The power of Jesus' dog compels you!
She does not like it.
We need the Ghostbusters on this one. No. Release it! We need holy water! It's a demon dog. Espíritu Inmune, release the Pomeranian inside of this dog. A hybrid. He has Pomeranian blood inside. We need to release it. Oh my god! Oh my god!